Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can get the iPhone ringtone on Motorola Edge 50 Pro. The first thing that we need to do is go to the Play Store and we need to download an app that allows us to use the iPhone ringtone. So let's search for iPhone ringtone and then I'm gonna choose the first app over here and then let's tap the install button. Let's wait a couple seconds to download and install the app on our smartphone and then let's open it. There we go. Now let's wait a couple seconds. There we go. Of course, we don't. Let's press consent. And now we can choose which type of ringtone we want from which iPhone. Now I'm gonna choose iPhone 14. And over here we can hear the preview of each ringtone. And if you decide which one you want to use, then let's say I'm gonna choose this one. I want to select it. And then we need to simply tap set as a ringtone. And then we can set it as a color ringtone. And we need to, of course, allow modifying system settings. And then when we go back, let's consent one more time. Let's select, and there we go. At the bottom, we have ringtone set successfully. So now we have set the iPhone ringtone. We can also go back to the settings. Let's check if it is actually set. So let's go to the sound and vibration settings. And then over here, my ringtone has been updated. I can see that there are some numbers, which is the name file for the iPhone ringtone. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel and see you in my next videos. Bye.